Hi guys, just got home and well, I kind of got home a half hour ago. Had a really yummy heirloom tomato sandwich on my sourdough. And yeah, I was at my daughter's cleaning and I think my back kind of just, yeah, it's not happy at the moment. I put some stuff on, I'll be good. It's just, yeah, I just won't be doing any heavy lifting. Anyways, we got the Amaze Box for June, so spoiler alert. If you are interested in getting the Amaze Box, or if you haven't received yours yet, do not watch this. Well, if you want to get the Amaze Box and you are interested in seeing what's in here, I don't know. Anyways, I'll just say spoiler alert. Okay. Woo! What's in here that it's got a scent? A scent, is this? Oh, it does. Okay. Right here, that's a little farm to tub peppermint and tea tree oil charcoal vegan body soap. Like I say, I don't use these soaps, but then a friend of mine suggested to clean brushes with them or a gift. There it is. Where's the L? Blah. It smells really nice, actually. Does it say anything on here? Yeah, it's got peppermint oil in there and glycerin and charcoal and shea butter and tea tree oil, stuff like that. It's olive, fruit oil, peppermint, Anyways, that's in there. Okay, now we got one of these. I've been using this every day on my legs just to see. I was trying to see if I could, it would work on some cellulite and firming, but I've got this and I'm about down to there, and so far I haven't really noticed it did anything yet to my legs. It's a body treatment oil. It is hazelnut and rosemary. So, I mean, it does get the circulation there, I guess, but, and a bit hydrating, I really don't know, but I do use it every day. It smells quite nice too, actually. It's got the vitamin E in there and omega-9s, hazelnut oil. Yeah, geranium and mint says it firms tones. And so anyways, that comes in there also. So travel size, I guess. What's the theme of this box? I think it's to do with like traveling. So you can take all these things traveling with you. Okay, now here's the thing. We got the little travel shampoo. I have this shampoo. I can smell it through there. It's very clean smelling. It says full of life revitalizing shampoo, coconut and hyaluronic acid. Now, if you, like, this makes your hair and scalp like squeaky clean, okay? And it smells beautifully clean, but I have more of the drier hair, and when I use this, I feel like I have no moisture left in my hair. So I can't wait to get the conditioner on. And I don't have the conditioner, but now I do. Here's the little travel size. Smell this one, and we'll see, because like I say, my hair is quite fine, and if you want something that really squeaky cleans your hair and smells really clean, mine's made of Dove soap, but it's not, obviously. Yeah, it's got that really clean smell. I do love that kind of smell. Like, it's a very natural, clean smell. But anyways, for me, we'll see. Adding that, maybe I'll be like, hey, that's what it needed together. But on its own, for me, if you have oily hair, scalp issues, thicker hair, you'll love this. Anyways, like I say, not everything is for everyone. Okay, gotta keep it real here. That's what I do. What's this? Okay, a clip. We got a clip, a hair clip. A lime light, I think it's got an L on it. Now, I don't wear these kind of clips. That's a honker clip. I guess you can put that on. See, there's an L there. I guess you can, like ladies with their long hair, and they pull all that up and they put it towards the back. I'm like a Miss Scrunchy. Or I have those little tiny clips. But anyways, so that's what's in there this month. You're getting a clip. You're getting the shampoo, conditioner to try and travel with. I do like the little traveler size things. And of course, you get in the body treatment oil. And you're getting this little farm to tub soap. If you love those little soaps, then this is for you. And maybe I could clean my brushes with that too. I just don't want them to smell minty. But anyways, so there we go. I just wanted to show you that for June's Amaze Box. Amaze Boxes, I think, are fun to get because sometimes the things you get in there are only exclusive to the Amaze Box. And I like that. And you also get free shipping, which is nice. And sometimes the Amaze Box are worth even double the amount you paid. And so that's a bonus too. And you can pause this subscription or stop it anytime you want. It's super easy. Like if you see something, oh, I'm not gonna want that this month, then you just pause it. But it's fun to get. I like little surprises like that. Like that one Amaze Box had that lip melt serum in it, and that was exclusive to the Amaze Box. Like, you can't just buy that. So, yeah, I loved that lip melt serum. That would be my favorite lip product. So, anyways, there we go. That's all I wanted to share today. If anyone's interested in the Amaze Box, I'll put my link down below. Okay, it's Friday. So everyone out there, have a great, safe weekend. All right, cheers.